Hello everybody, it's Dustin with Full Hills Adventures. Today we're going to be making this. Well, sorta. It's a one-wheel frame. I've made one before, and I'm not a great welder, so this should be fun. Anyway, sit back and watch this train wreck with me, because it's going to be awful. I just know it. Alright, so here's the deal. This is a one-wheel frame. This is used by my good friends at Gravity Check Juggling. They dress these things up to look like dragons and snails, and it's got fire and eye stalks and like wing holders and all kinds of cool stuff. Check out Gravity Check Juggling. They're on the Facebook. They do a lot of shows at the Ren Fair, but this is going to be for them. I built them one, but we're going to build them another one. Before we get into all that, I wanted to show you some of the things that I cut yesterday. Because we got an upcoming car show at Levoy. I think it's October 4th, whatever the first Friday is in October. Anyway, but there's the Dodge Demon. All right, Demon 170. Here's the Hellcat. And, well, I made a USA sign, but we're gonna try to powder coat all these. And then a Chevrolet Racing sign. So I wanted to get some things that when they go to sell, that they could sell them that are kind of small. They're not going to be like too pricey, you know, nothing crazy, anything like that. So that's kind of what we're thinking. I guess let me get the welder out, get it set up, and I guess ain't nothing to it but to do it. This is Nugget. Nugget's not very smart, are you, Nugget? No, you're not. You're not very smart. You're cute. That's all hot stuff. You can't get up there. It's hot. We named it Nugget because the only thing we could get it to eat was chicken nuggets. So, all right. Go on, Nugget. Go be free. Get out of the building. All right, y'all didn't really miss much. I struggled for a little while, but I made the two eye stalks. Basically, it's just and they're not pretty. God, they're not pretty. But basically, it's these two things up here. Drill a hole, bolt them through, washer, lock nut on the back side of it. Keeps them square. I'm going to trim them up so they're even because I just cut off pieces. But I will have to do that, trim them up so they're even. The next steps, like I said, I'm probably going to take a break from welding because one, I'm hot and it's like 1,000 degrees in the shop today, or at least that's what it feels like. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is there's two things I got to cut. So I'm going to take off this plate here, measure this plate. It's just a square little plate that mounts on the end here, and just make two of them, same size holes, and the dragon wing holders here. But to do that, we need to go to the plasma. So I'm going to go ahead and get set up and draw a file. And once I get the file drawn, yeah, not drawed. Once I get the file drawn, I'll show you. And I just got a piece of scrap, 16 gauge laying up there. Should be fine for what we're doing. We'll go ahead and get that done. All right, well, there's our bracket, or our two sets of brackets. These over here is going to be for like the dragon wings, and these are for that plate. Sorry, my hands are like filthy. But I got a piece of like the scrap, I don't know what you call it, just scrap 16 gauge that I made some of those signs out of. It cleaned up pretty nice, but you know, they're not like the best looking things. But we're going to use that anyway because why waste metal, right? Here we go. All right, well, there you go. So, like I said, antenna goes up there, or whatever. Dragon wings go here, and some kind of tail thing goes here. And this fits down. It's nice and level. Fits on a one-wheel frame. Or this is a one-wheel frame. I'm gonna give it a sanding, just a real quick buff, and then I'm just gonna spray it with some flat black and call it a night. Because I'm tired and this took way too long and I shouldn't have waited just for one day to build it. I should have built it in a few days, but baseball schedules and everything else, I'm tired. I still got a sign to cut. I still got to load a whole brand new sheet on the thing and cut a sign, which I'm not ready for. So let me get this, I guess, painted. All right, so for those of you who stayed with me, because that was a long video. I really don't know if it was a long video because I haven't edited anything yet, but I have a feeling it is. Anyway, bonus footage, we're going to cut a sign. Whoa. So I've already honed the machine. Dadgummit, I forgot what I named it. Wilkie, that's it. One of our more popular signs. We changed it up a little bit, but it's the one with the deer and the bear and the man hunting and the name. It's one of our most popular kind of things. I did shrink it down to about 23 and a half, so less than 24 inches, so that one, we can get two out of the sheet side by side, and two, I'm pretty sure it'll fit the powder coating oven, but anyway. So I'm going to get this set up down there, put the ground up, because I always forget. Yeah, let's just watch it cook. There you go, folks. Not too bad. We got the deer, we got the hunter, and a bear, whatever that moth was, the fishing pole, and the crosses. Oh, hey, puppies. Yeah. Y'all want to see a fat dog? A little bit. Come here. Let me see if I can pick him up without killing my back. This is my little bit. He's not really little. He's a chunky monkey. A little bit. What do you think about that sign? Like, put me down. Chunky boy. Okay. Alright, go on. Anyway, that's your bonus footage for today. If you watched all the way through, man, you guys are troopers, and I appreciate it. So, yeah. If you have an idea of what kind of sign you think we should make, or something that we should do, like going back to gun content. I know, we need more gun stuff. I tell you what, you convince my wife to let me buy more guns, we'll make more gun stuff, huh? So this is on you. To my long-term subscribers, been here forever, tell her we need more guns. Actually, archery's coming up. God, it might be in. Is it in Burke County? Maybe not yet. It's coming. I don't know. So now I don't have time and it's really late. Now put sitting in the tree stand all day and still doing this. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you. We'll see you next time.